Hi, in this presentation, I'm going to talk about how Obama, as the President of the United States, fought against a really big issue, which is world hunger. This is the statement I've chosen to base kind of my whole presentation on, and this is something that Obama actually said. As the wealthiest nation on earth, I believe the United States has a moral obligation to lead the fight against hunger and malnutrition and to partner with others. I definitely agree with this statement because I feel like if you are a country that has a lot of power and has a lot of money, you should definitely help the less fortunate by maybe giving away or making them more money or just helping them in some sort of way. And I feel like if a lot of countries partnered up, such as if the United States partnered up with Norway, Sweden, maybe even Russia if that could work out, China, it would make it would have made the issue a lot easier to handle because we would have been a lot of people and a lot of power and a lot of money trying to solve one issue, which is one of the biggest issues in the world right now, which I think we should really take care of. These are some facts about world hunger. There are about 821.6 million people who go undernourished every year, which I think is a really bad statistic that we shouldn't have right now. One of the main reasons for world hunger is poverty, because people can't afford to grow their own food, buy food, or they don't even have the land to make their own food, which I think it's really sad that they don't have food enough to go through a whole day. In 2010, there were estimated that 7.6 million children died, and that half of them were from world hunger, which I think it's a really sad statistic that children shouldn't be going through this in such an early age. They should be getting food, going to school, just having a normal life. But some children have to go through this, and like they have to share a whole meal with their whole family for like a day, which I think no kid should go through. And that's why I think we need to make a big change and team up, go together, find a solution to this issue right now before it get even worse than it is already. 1 in 15 children under the age of 5 dies in poor countries, which I think it's a statistic we shouldn't see in this world ever. We have enough money and resources to prevent this, so I think we should really step up, go together, and actually try and fight this world hunger issue. Asia and sub-Saharan Africa are the places that are affected the worst by world hunger. In Asia, there are about 513.9 million people that go hungry and don't eat enough calories or the recommended calories, which I think it's 2,100. And also in sub-Saharan Africa, there are about 239.1 million people that are below the average calorie that people should eat. And I think it's a number way too big for an issue we could easily fix by just teaming up, talking, trying to come up with an issue. And I think that it's not enough people that care about the situation or don't know about the situation. So I think we need to get more awareness out as well. And this is how Obama kept the people fed. Obama created an organization called Feed the Future, where 9 million farmers were able to grow food and give out food, and 7.6 million kids were given food and is now eating above the recommended calories per day. Feed the Future actually made the rates of poverty go down by 26%, which I think it's a huge accomplishment by Obama. By fighting poverty and world hunger like that, I think it's such a good accomplishment. US also declares first goal on cutting food waste, which it's one of the main issues about world hunger. We throw away so much food. I think it was 1.8 billion tons of food that we throw away every year, and they wanted to reduce the food we throw away by 50% by 2030. Obama also creates a task force to combat illegal fishing. The illegal fishing is where people fish illegally and sell it on the black market, and the illegal fishing industry is worth about $18 billion. So Obama wanted to create a task force to fight that, so fishers can fish, sell their fish, and sell it to poorer countries so that they also have food. He also did so much more. He signed a contract where they donated a lot of money, and he did so much more than just these things. How we can make a difference and how we can help the issue. We need to shop and eat locally, because when the food gets shipped and stuff like that, we need to cut that out, because it's making it more like hard to make the food travel, and it's releasing a lot of gases. It's not good for the environment, so we need to start shop and eat locally and support our local farmers. We also need to aim for zero food waste. It's one of the main reasons that world hunger is a thing. Poverty and food waste. There are about 2.3 million, even though I said 1.8. I forgot that it was 2.3 billion, which is a lot more. It's a number so high it shouldn't even be possible. We are throwing away so much food, which can go to kids that need it. Women, there are a lot of women that are pregnant who give birth to weak children because they are weak themselves. They don't have enough food to give nutrition to the kids. So we need to stop throwing away so much food. And also you should donate to charities. There are a lot of charities fighting this today, such as Røde Kors, FN. There are a lot of. You can also you can find so many on the internet. They support a great case. You should do too. Everyone should take their own intentions to the side and start helping others that actually really need it. Because we are so fortunate to live in a country where there's always food on the table. We have school, water, and we take it for granted, which I think we should share it more. These are the sources I used for this presentation.